Hi, I'm Champion Chicken in the park. I've lost a leg, I don't know why. I'm going to go and visit the duck. My friends, they seem to all be over there, ready to be met by me. Let's go closer, guys. Oh. Guys, I don't know, but I'm quite scared. I don't know if they'll accept me. Hello, friends. Yes, look at them. Okay, friends. Okay, good. Champion Chicken's on the case. Friends, I got. Hello. We got. Stop running. I am your friend. Okay. He's carrying me around, Guff and Guff's dad. Quack. Hey, Goose! Champion Chicken wants to meet you. Hey, Goose! Oh my God, they whacked each other. Did Champion Chicken scare you? Ducks. Okay, seems like we're going this way. Hey. Yeah, you're on camera. Do some tricks. The audience is watching. Hey, you. Boo. Come here. Please don't be scared. Okay. No.
Oh, he's growling at you.
Don't woof at me. You're no dog. Get out. We're gonna crawl up to them. We're gonna sneak on them. Whack. Soon, just let me get in Goose pile. Can I stroke you, man? Please? You look so feathery. Let's wanna feel how soft you are. No, please, I will not hurt. Well, guys, I'll see you in a bit, Gooses. Now Champion Chicken's gonna be playing in park. Come on, camera, we're going. Why am I doing such a long video? I just wanted to show you how Champion Chicken really has improved. Look at him. He's got a belt logo, he's got all that. Nice. What up, guys? Fly, Champion Chicken, fly! Come on with me. Stick around for a lot more videos. This is long up though, Lord, so I'll only do more short ones. Champion Chicken going to the park. Champion Chicken going to the park. Okay, so there's little pigeons over there. Pigeons, my worst enemy. Actually, turkeys are Champion Chicken does not like Champion Turkey. Star Turkey. Yeah, come on. Still vlogging. Let me grab the phone. Oh, come on, Champion Chicken. Sorry, you can. Come on. Still locked? I'm still fine. Yes. You know I'm still recording, right? Jack? Okay, Champion. Oh my god, that's a fee. That's the feline right there. Jack! What are we doing exactly? Other than following this man. Yeah, and he laughs. I guess he's excited to be in one of Chicken Champion's videos.
Yay!
Yep. You should subscribe while you're here to both of our channels. Maybe subscribe to Sky Monkeys. I do not know. That's your choice, actually. It's your choice to do any of that. I'd appreciate it, though. Hit the bell. Not literally, but you just click it. Not. Sometimes if you have like iPads or phones, you turn them upside down and click the button. No consoles. I don't think it was console. This is quite boring, I know. I need to set up something cool. How about we set up a scene here? I'll put the camera down while I think of a scene. Okay, Guff? Okay, Champion Chicken. So what scene shall we do, Champion Chicken? Oh, you emerging out at bushes. Okay. Boo! Oh gosh. Hey guys, Scuff here. We are going to this court with Champion Chicken. Actually, second hand. I do follow. Unlike other YouTubers, we actually do talk to our subscriber. Hi, subscriber. We have 3 of you. 3 subscribers. You have a bag of fresh stuff. Chicken Champion's kind of hungry. What's inside of you? Oh, teddy bears! What the hell is this? Oh, wow, Champion Chicken's hit the weird jackpot. Champion Chicken. I am sorry, subscriber. I will take this. Jack. Champion Chicken wonders what this does. What does Champion Chicken... Get off me! Oh, that's a gummy. Oh, there you go. That's cool. Put it back in your bag. Back. Oh, back.
Triple stop. See what time it is, then we can walk back here if you want.
Jack.
It's Joe, yeah?
Oh, we're going home, Jack. Right behind you, subscriber. Back. This video's quite long, I know, guys. What up, guys? It's Guff here. You might remember me for such as 10 minutes? We've hit the 10-minute mark. We had ads. One of them would play. But trust me, I'm not a sellout. So I don't really care. I just like to entertain people. You know, the old champion chicken clothing. Now guys, this is a cool vlog, I know. If you're not subscribed, you're that. Or that. Trash. But if you can't sign in, I understand, trust me, I understand. Just viewer. If you can't sign in, it'd be good. It'd be very good. You're making your own channel, get to your friends or favourite YouTubers, and I'm not one of them. You don't have to subscribe. For now, we got back. I'm gonna play the back part.